Has Kraken been hacked? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the recent hack that occurred at Kraken, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. I know that this is a really important topic, and I'm sure that you're all interested in learning more about what happened. So, let's get started. Before I get into the details of the hack, I want to ask you a question. If you were a hacker, how would you hack Kraken? I think this is a really interesting question to consider, and it will help us to understand the vulnerabilities that were exploited in the attack. Okay, so now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about the details of the hack. Kraken was hacked on January 14th, 2024. The hackers were able to steal approximately $15 million worth of cryptocurrency from the exchange. The exact details of the hack are still being investigated, but it is believed that the hackers were able to exploit a vulnerability in the exchange's software. Once the hackers had access to the system, they were able to transfer funds to their own wallets. The hack was discovered on January 15th, 2024. Kraken immediately suspended trading and withdrawals. The exchange has since refunded all of the stolen funds to users. Now that we know what happened, let's take a step back and analyze the situation. What can we learn from this hack? First, it is important to note that Kraken is a very secure exchange. This hack was not the result of a simple security flaw. Instead, the hackers were able to exploit a complex vulnerability that was only discovered after the attack. This highlights the importance of keeping your software up to date and using strong security practices. Second, this hack shows that even the best exchanges can be hacked. It is important to be aware of the risks involved in using cryptocurrency exchanges. If you are going to use a cryptocurrency exchange, it is important to choose a reputable exchange that has a strong security track record. Third, this hack highlights the importance of having a contingency plan in place in case of an attack. Kraken was able to quickly refund all of the stolen funds because they had a good backup system in place. If you are running a cryptocurrency exchange, it is important to make sure that you have a contingency plan in place in case of an attack. In conclusion, the Kraken hack was a serious event that highlights the importance of security in the cryptocurrency space. However, it is important to remember that Kraken is a very secure exchange, and that this hack was not the result of a simple security flaw. Instead, the hackers were able to exploit a complex vulnerability that was only discovered after the attack. This highlights the importance of keeping your software up to date and using strong security practices. If you are going to use a cryptocurrency exchange, it is important to choose a reputable exchange that has a strong security track record. And finally, it is important to have a contingency plan in place in case of an attack. I would encourage you to do your own research on this topic. There are a number of great resources available online that can provide you with more information about the Kraken hack and other security issues in the cryptocurrency space. I would also encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. It is important to spread awareness about the risks involved in using cryptocurrency exchanges. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and secure.